Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name is Rebecca and I hope you're having a great, fantastic day. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be playing with the Elysium Remastered Eyeshadow Palette by MUA. Now, I'm very excited they've brought this back. Now, an observation of the colours, I'm pretty sure that these two matte colours here were more based on the cool tone side. They had more of a purple element. I will pop it on screen just here. But I'm pretty sure it was more purple tones. Unfortunately, I don't have my other one anymore because it went really badly expired, so I had to throw it away. But it really saddens me because I loved that eyeshadow palette and I loved the kohl pencil that it came with. Like, this one's got a kohl pencil as well, a duo-ended one. So when I saw they brought this back, I was very excited, but I just wish they kept the cool toned eyeshadows instead of making them warm tones, because I distinctively remember them being cool tones and not warm tones. But nonetheless, I'm going to be playing around with this palette and give you guys my honest thoughts about it, if it's still good or it's not. So if you guys are going to enjoy this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to go on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. So, if you guys want to know my thoughts on the MUA Elysium Remastered Eyeshadow Palette with the kohl pencil, just keep watching. Alright guys, let's play around with the MUA Elysium Remastered Eyeshadow Palette. This is what I decided to come up with. It's like a smoky liner. I don't really do smoky liners, but I'm obsessed. This is what we're going for today. Okay, I've already prepped my eyelids with a Beauty UK eyeshadow primer. So I'm first going to start with the lightest colour, which is this orangey colour right here, on a Urban Decay Vice brush. It's like a soft blending brush. I'm going to start buffing this into the crease, pretty much blending it everywhere. Buffing it everywhere, just going to town really. I'm now going to take this pinky sort of brown toned colour on an angled fluffy brush. I'm going to start applying this right on the half of my eyelid and applying this on the lid as well. So I'm really applying it and smoking it out. I'm going to take this colour now, which is a really sparkly champagne colour. I'll be taking that on a flat brush and applying this to the lid. Oh my gosh, it is such a pretty colour. You could even intensify it with your finger too. Oh yeah, that is really pretty. Right, the palette itself does come with like a duo pencil, a nude pencil and a black kohl pencil. I'm going to be using the black kohl pencil and I'm going to be just applying this quite messy along my lower lash line, well, my top lash line. I'm now going to take the darkest colour in the palette, which is this purple shimmery colour. I'm going to use the other end of that Urban Decay Vice brush and I'm probably going to go on top and just smudge out this liner. Well, the smudge out, just blend out the black kohl I've got on top. Okay, I'm going to go back in with the black kohl pencil. And with the black kohl pencil, I'm just going to apply this in the waterline and slightly on the lower lash line. Going in with that same purple with that same brush, and I'm going to smoke it under the lower lash line. Okay, I'm going to go in with that beautiful iridescent bluish green colour. It's gorgeous. Now you could reverse swap it if you want to, because I'm going to be applying this colour in the inner corner and on the brow bone. But you could put the lid colour on the brow bone and in the inner corner if you wish, and put that iridescent colour on the lid instead. But I'm gonna apply this to the brow bone and inner corner instead, just to make this look a little bit more fun. Be warned, there is quite a little bit of fallout with these sparkly shimmery eyeshadows. Okay, I've added some false lashes, mascara, and these are the eyes completed. Okay, I think this palette is really, really good. It's really nice. I love the black kohl pencil. I love the eyeshadows. They are pigmented. They blend really nicely. I'll have to create like more of a natural look with this eyeshadow palette. But so far, I'm so glad they brought this back and I really, really like it. I really hope you guys have enjoyed this video today. If you have, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Please don't forget to subscribe and turn that notification bell so you get notified by every single makeup video I do here on this channel. Don't forget to go on Instagram if you want to. Link is in the description bar down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Stay safe. And I'll see you all in my next video. Bye bye guys. Take care.